How to see notification history on Samsung. In this tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can easily view your notification history. Notification history is a useful feature that you can use to see any notification that you have missed out on. So in order to see that, you just open up your settings first. And once you open up your settings, just find your notification settings, tap on this. Once you're inside notification settings, all you have to do is go to advanced settings. Then you'll find an option called notification history. Just head over there, and here you should be able to find all of the notification history on your phone. So if you want to see any specific notification from before, let's say last 24 hours, I'm going to tap on this drop down. And here I'm able to see the notification history. So that's how you basically see notification history on Samsung. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll see you on the next one.